Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to install and use defensive turrets. This plugin adds a few turrets to the game with the ability to customize and upgrade them. These turrets can kill players, animals, or monsters. To install the plugin, head over to the plugin section, go over to the spigot tab and type in defensive turrets in one word. Install the version that is compatible with your server and restart it. Alternatively, you can just download it from the plugin page and upload it to the Server.pro panel. As you can see, I've also got holographic displays, Vault, and an economy plugin installed to show you all the features of this plugin. In-game, just type in /dtgive, then the turret name, and then your username. Currently, there are 3 turrets, which are Burst, Laser, and Siege turrets. They all have their specific abilities. I'm going to give myself all of them to show you how they work in a little bit. Once you place the turret block, a turret will appear with a hologram above it. The hologram will only appear if you have the hologram plugin installed. To access the turret inventory, you just right click it, and here you can change a bunch of things. You can upgrade the turret, and each one of these upgrades can be changed in a config. You can of course add more upgrades in the config as well. To upgrade the turret, simply left click on the upgrade icon and then you're done. As you can see, it is now level 2 and it took the money from my account since it cost 800 to upgrade. You can also change the settings for it, like change what the turret targets are. These include players, animals, or monsters. You can of course disable or enable whichever one you like. If you enable players, you can whitelist certain players that the turrets won't target. And that's about it for the options. It's very simple, so let me actually spawn some mobs in and test these turrets out. Locate the main config in the plugins folder, and here you can change some of the settings. Most of these are self-explanatory, so I won't go over all of them. This option here adjusts how far you can place the turrets from one another. The damage hologram option shows you a hologram above the target when a turret hits it, and the information hologram shows you the info above the turret. There are a couple of compatibility options here, and lower are the turret limit options. You can enable or disable whether you want to limit players on how many turrets they can have. Of course, you can use permissions to set this, and you can find the permission nodes on the plugin page. But if a player doesn't have the specific permission, it will default back to this value here. You can protect turrets from explosions, and if you want to change the GUI icons, you can do so by changing these options. Let's save this and go into the actual turrets config. In these configs, you can change the upgrades and also add your own. If we open the Burst turret one, at the top here you have the name and then the upgrades below it. These follow a special format which you can find on the plugin page. The top one here is level 1, then the next one is level 2, and so on. So let's for example add a level 4 upgrade for this turret. Just copy this here and adjust it following the format. You can change the upgrade sound here if you wanted. Then the turret block itself, you can change what the actual block will be, the name of it, and even the lore of it. Lower you have the upgrade section. Again, it's a similar sort of thing. You can change the icon, the name of it, and then the lore. And the option below is basically the same thing, except this will show when you have the last upgrade. And that's about it. You can go ahead and customize them however you like and add as many upgrades as you want. And apart from that, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any plugin suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. And if you're having issues with anything, contact our support team. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.